Local news for Tuesday the 20th of November. A busy October has seen real estate agents flat out across the region. Carterton remains a consistent market with 19 properties sold. South Wairarapa has become busier with 29 sales and Masterton 59 sales. All three areas have seen more or less the same for the same month as this time last year. Featherston will have a Christmas parade this year. After initially having it cancelled with no one to run it, the parade will go ahead from midday on Saturday the 8th of December. Police are looking for help in identifying two offenders who used a sledgehammer to smash their way into a Celtic service station in Solway Masterton. They made off with items from the cigarette cabinet, with the incident happening on Tuesday the 6th of November at 10:45pm. And in sport, the Wairarapa Dragon Boat Club competed over the weekend in the Hamilton Super 12s, finishing fifth in their division. And the Giants under 13s and women's teams both had wins last Saturday, and the men sadly going down 4-1 to Dodgers.